Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this stunning Indian grey Volkswagen Passat estate. It's in the GT specification with a number of really nice factory options as well. It's powered by the 150 PS 2-litre TDI diesel engine and is driven by the DSG automatic gearbox. You also get the 18-inch alloys specific to the GT spec, which really finish it off. Okay, so here we are around at the boot of the Passat. As we can see, it's an incredibly practically sized load area. There's really nice space in these recesses for extra bits of luggage. So there's a first aid kit there, a 12-volt power socket for powering any ancillaries, and then manual rear seat levers as well, which push the rear seats forward. You've also got two Isofix child anchoring points for kid seats, and this really nice flush entry exit as well. It's only had two previous owners. You can tell it's been looked after well because someone has added this protective strip to protect the paint on the bumper also. Just underneath the boot floor, we've got a full-size spare wheel with the accompanying locking wheel nut and toolkit just there. What's really nice about this Passat estate is that it has the rear view camera as a factory option. Now this is a really smart feature because it's actually set underneath the badge there where you would open the boot as normal. So that just flips out when you come to go into reverse and automatically comes on. We've also got front and rear parking sensors, and there's a telltale sign from the parking sensor which wrap right around the side of the car. You can tell this Passat also has park assist as well. So that's where the car can actually park itself in either a bay or a parallel park, with you just having to do the throttle and the forward and reverse gear. But all the steering and the measuring is done by the car, which is fantastic. As we move on to the interior, we've got this nice LED lighting strip with ambient interior lighting as standard on the GT. You can see the one opposite as well, just over there. Another nice factory option over and above a standard GT here is the full black leather interior. So a really nice, supple but hard-wearing material. No rips, tears, stains or any odours whatsoever. And then just back there in the centre console, we've got 3-zone climate control. So 2-zone in the front and a 3rd zone to independently control the temperature in the rear. Coming around to the front, we've got more of these LED inlays and these light strips. We'll get a fully electric driver's seat with electric lumbar adjustment as well. Again, both full leather in really nice condition. The standard with the GTs, you also get folding mirrors, which are electrically operated. They're also heated and electrically adjustable as well. Moving into the cockpit, we'll just turn these side lights on so we can see a bit better. We've got the light cluster here, so you've got automatic headlights with light and rain sensors as well. So you've got auto dimming rear view mirror and also detect rain on the windscreen, which you can adjust just there. Now, one extra feature that this Passat has, which is really nice, is actually that it has the high beam assist as well. So when you put your full beams on, a slightly different light will come up on the cluster, basically signifying that it has high beam assist on. That is basically where the car has a camera just behind the mirror here, and it looks out onto the road for oncoming traffic and their bright lights, and when it recognizes those, it automatically dips the concentrated beams, so you don't have to, which is actually a really nice feature at night. Also, something that they have as standard, which is worth noting, is they have adaptive cruise control. So not just normal cruise control, but the radar guided adaptive cruise control, which means the car can stay at a constant distance behind something in front of you, even if they slow down or speed up. So for varying and potentially busy traffic areas on dual carriageways or motorways where it's quite busy, so things are moving faster and slower all the time, you can put that on and the car will slow down and speed up for you. Really nice feature. Moving over here, we've got the main screen, which is all touchscreen. We've got DAB, FM and AM radio, a number of different media sources, including SD, CD, USB and aux. the CD and SD are located in the glove box just there, and then you've also got Bluetooth audio as well. You can also connect your phone separately, so you can make and receive calls wirelessly. If we go into the menu, again, it's all touchscreen, and there's a number of other features which you can go into more depth with. If we go up here, we've got the parking sensor button, so that actually opens the rear view camera and also brings up the diagram of the parking sensors as well. Just next to that, we've got the park assist. So you can see here it comes onto the main screen, and when you push that when you're in a car park, you can choose to look for a parallel park or a bay park, and it will start from there. Moving further down to the climate control, again we've got dual zone at the front, and we've got the third zone in the rear, heated front seats as well. And then we've also got the driver modes just down here, so we've got normal, sport, individual and eco. They change things including the weight of the steering, the throttle response and the throttle curve, and also how the gears change as well. We've got the DSG gearbox just there, and we've also got the hill hold assist and the electromechanical parking brake as well. So overall, there's a number of really nice features. One other being that you actually have the keyless entry as well. So these small indents on the door handles, you can actually lock and unlock the car by doing various different movements with your hands, so you can keep the keys in your pockets. So something that's really, really useful. All Quattrotech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6 months roadside assistance, an MOT upon arrival, and a comprehensive mechanical check. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating safe, socially distanced and contactless click and collect appointments. Thank you very much.